unboxing the Cellular IP501H radio. On the side of the box, you'll find the UPC information for warranty registration. Now let's open the box. When you open the box, you will find the warranty information and instruction manual. Next, you have the radio, the antenna, and the battery. Finally, you have the belt clip and hand strap. Now, let's assemble the radio. The recommended charger for the IP501H is the BC202IP3L. There are many recommended accessories for the IP501H radio, ranging from headsets, earpieces, and speaker mics. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the IP501H radio.